take pride in helping people and getting the job done right? Maybe you're looking for a flexible schedule, a job that lets you choose your own hours. As a HandyPro professional, you can help service a wide variety of home improvement needs for our everyday customers while allowing you to be able to accommodate life's unpredictabilities. Introducing the new HandyPro mobile app. With the HandyPro mobile application, you'll find it easy to find jobs that will fit your everyday schedule while also offering highly competitive pay. From changing a light bulb to a full bathroom renovation, the HandyPro mobile app finds and schedules jobs for you. So, if being a HandyPro professional sounds like the right fit for you, sign up, succeed, and make a difference.